Hi guys, Charles Fabertec Group. Today busy day at our premises. 6 o'clock in the morning, loading FL4, 12 kilowatt with a MACH source, Bocci laser head 642. Going to Clevendon, just south of Bristol. Great clients, very good rapport. We're gonna be unloading today around 1 o'clock PM. So till 5-6, I think we should have everything in place in the warehouse already where it's supposed to be. Tomorrow connections, not a lot of work because we try to prepare all of the machines in here to save time on the installation, not have 2, 3, 4 weeks installation, but 2-3 days, very efficient, very quick, so the client doesn't have a stopovers. If, for example, this client has to disconnect the plasma, they can literally in a couple of days cut on our fiber laser. So yeah, and then probably Monday, long training because it's quite sophisticated system with job scheduling, choosing different type of sheets, you know, planning ahead for weeks so the operators know exactly what is going to be happening in the production in the company. So yeah, but keep in touch. We're going to record everything and show you one longer video. So please observe this space. Cheers. Few days, 12 kilowatt FL4 1530 installed, everything in place. 5-6 operators, Simon, Jack, Ty, couple of other guys, everybody know what they're doing. Very happy with the progress. So yeah, literally in 2-3 hours managed to grasp everything, cutting themselves, whole sheets, nesting, doing all of the all of the jobs. So yeah, very pleased. See you next installation.